4.3, multiplication property of inequality. Let's take a look at how this works. Alright, let's take a look. We want to solve inequality. X over 2 or x divided by 2 is greater than 6. We want to get x by itself. What's happening to x? It's being divided by 2. We undo it by multiplying by 2. What we do to one side, we do to the other. Bam, bam. X is greater than 12. As easy as that. Now, this is the one exception. This is the one difference between equalities and inequalities. Let me show you. If we have to multiply or divide by a negative, this is where it's different. So to get x by itself, we divide by -3. What we do to one side, we do to the other side. Still true. Now, this is x. 6 divided by -3 is -2. The only difference between equalities and inequalities, when we multiply or divide by a negative, our sign points the other direction. Dun dun dun! And that's about it. Everything else can stay the same. Write that in your notes. What's the one difference, and when do we do it? Why do we do that, might you ask? Well, let me show you. Now, don't let this confuse you, the rule I just gave you, because the rule is hard and fast. But this is the explanation, but don't let it confuse what you already know. Forget where I was. Alright. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Alright, so let's start with the problem we just had. Oh, I forget what the problem was. Oh wait, it's written right there. Alright. So let's say we didn't want to divide by a negative. Let's say we wanted to make, let's just add plus 3x to both sides. So now we have 0 is greater than 6 plus 3x. And now if we wanted to get x by itself, we just subtracted 6 from both sides. -6 is greater than 3x. And then I'll just rewrite it up here. If we wanted to get x by itself, divide by 3. That gives us -2 greater than x, which is what we had the first time. I'll do it one more time. The other way, divide by -3, divide by -3. That gives us x is, flip the sign, -2. So see, these two things say the same thing. -2 greater than x is less than -2, mean the same thing. But the point is, to avoid having to switch from one side to the other through addition and subtraction, we just flip the sign. Anyway, that's all. Bye.